the capital letter F. So we start off with a slip knot, and then we're going to chain 12. You can use any yarn you want with the appropriate crochet hook size. I am using chunky yarn with a 4.5mm crochet hook. Details of the pattern can be found in the description of this video. Then from the second chain from the hook, we're going to be working single crochet all throughout. So we should end up with 11 single crochet stitches. And then we're going to turn your work, chain 1, single crochet from the first and throughout the second row. So again, we should end up with 11 single crochet stitches. Turn your work, chain 1, single crochet from the first up to the end of this row. So for row 3, we should have again 11 single crochet stitches. Turn your work, chain 1, and then work single crochet in the next 3 stitches, and then we'll leave the remaining stitches unworked. Turn your work, chain 1, single crochet stitches in the 3 spaces. So we should have 3 single crochet. Turn your work again, chain 1, single crochet throughout, ending up with 3 single crochet stitches. And then chain 6, and after you chain 6 from the second chain, we're going to be working 5 single crochet stitches in these chains, after which you're going to continue with single crochet in the next 3 spaces. So for this row, row 7, you should have 8 single crochet stitches. Turn your work, chain 1, and then work single crochet stitches across row 8. You should have 8 single crochet stitches. Turn your work, chain 1, single crochet from the start up to the end of row number 9. We should have 8 single crochet stitches. Turn your work again, chain 1, and then work a single crochet stitch for the next 3 spaces, and then leave the rest unworked. Turn your work, chain 1, single crochet stitch into 3 spaces, and then you do this a total of 5 rows. So these 5 rows, rows 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, should have 3 single crochet stitches across. And remember to use a chain 1 as your turning chain. So this is your last row. Fasten off. So this is our capital letter F. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.